Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In today's video, I'm going to show you two CapCut features that actually beats Premiere Pro. CapCut is actually one of the new kids in the block when it comes to editing software, but they've been putting on some really amazing features. Though I personally don't use CapCut to do much, I only use it for these two things that I'm about to show you. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. The first feature is background remover. CapCut has made removing video background pretty much easy. Just with a few clicks of the mouse, you can actually remove the background of any clip. So let me show you how it works. You just need to bring in the clip that you want to remove the background. Once you import the clip, you bring it to the timeline. After bringing your clip to the timeline, all you have to do is to click on remove, then auto remover. Once you click on auto remover, you just have to give it a few minutes or seconds depending on the clip. So as you can see, CapCut has removed the background without stress. Right now, you can bring in any other background of your choice. All you have to do is simply import the background that you would want to replace the former with. Then bring it to the timeline. All I have to do is to shorten it, then ensure that the original clip is above the new background, and that's it. Our clip has a new background. It is that simple. But if I was to do it with Premiere Pro, I will have to use the maxing tool to max, which most time is very time consuming and tedious, and most time it is even difficult for beginners to actually do it. So this particular one is a game changer for many video editors. Alright, so the second feature is auto captioning. This is another feature that I use more often because I find it pretty easy. Though Premiere Pro has auto captioning, but CapCut is actually the best for me when it comes to auto captioning because it does not just generate the captions, it also has different templates that you can use to customize your captions easily. So to do this, you just need to import your clip into CapCut. Alright, so to do the auto captioning, you have to click on text, then auto caption, then generate. So you just have to give CapCut a few minutes or seconds to actually do this. As you can see, CapCut is done with the auto captioning. But it's actually not looking very fine, so that is actually what I love about CapCut. So from here now we can customize it the way we want. Here are pre-made templates that we can choose from. There's a whole number of them that we can actually choose from, both paid and free ones. So you just have to go through them and see the ones that the one that fits your style. I think I like this one. You can see how it looks. So we can also go to the basics and increase the font size if we want to. Can make any adjustments based on what we want, and it is that simple. Basically, I love the feature. So you can make adjustments to the text, like if you find any mistake in the text, you can simply click and make the changes. Like here I said snaptic and it wrote what I didn't actually mean, so I can make the adjustment here and it will reflect on my caption. So let's go back and see it. That's basically how it works. It is that easy. So if you found this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified each time I release more videos.